There are several strategies that you can employ to improve your trade entries. Here are several tips for making better trade entries. They include trading with the trend. The trend is your friend is a common adage in financial trading that encourages traders to trade the prevailing trend so that they are moving with the momentum of the market. The first step to doing so is to identify a trend. After this, you need to identify an event referred to as a pullback and then trade what's known as a breakout. A pullback is when a market that has been moving in a particular direction pulls back, sometimes also known as a retracement or consolidation in the opposite direction. A breakout happens when the trend resumes its original direction and is the point at which short-term momentum agrees with the longer-term trend. Ideally, you want to enter the market during a trend as early as possible. You do this to make sure that you maximise your chances of success. One of the simplest ways to identify a trend is through the use of trend lines. Refer to lesson 2.